Starting fresh in eFootball is simple and allows you to build your dream team from the ground up. Whether you are new to the game or want to restart your journey, creating a new account gives you a chance to experience the excitement of the player signings, squad building, and competitive matches all over again. Within just a few steps, you can go ahead and set up a brand new profile and jump straight to the action. So go ahead, open your web browser on your mobile device, then simply go ahead and search for KONAMI ID on Google. Click on the first result to go to the KONAMI ID registration page. Click on Register KONAMI ID. Now you need to go ahead and fill out the registration. Now you need to go ahead and enter the date of birth. Select the country or the region. Tap on Next. Now go ahead and fill out the registration form with your email address, profile name, passport, country and region, and agree to the terms and conditions and tap on Next. Then you'll be able to link the KONAMI ID to your eFootball account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.